Hello Jr4. I am Miss Anne. Let's revise our lesson very quick. Mary goes to school by bus. What is this sentence about? Yes. It's a habit. We use present simple to talk about habits. That's why we say goes. Mary goes to school by bus. What about you? What do you do every day? What is your daily routine? Do you wake up at 7 or 8? We use present simple to talk about daily routines and habits. So we use present simple to talk about daily routines. What else do we use present simple for?
When do we use the present simple?
Good question. We use the present simple tense to describe an action that is regular, true or normal. We use the present simple to talk about timetables. The train to Cairo leaves at 8:30. The first lesson starts at 8. Also, we use it to talk about facts. Things that never change. For example, the sun rises in the east. Fact. That's why we use present simple here. We use present simple to describe states. Things that don't change often. For example, I work at SIS. Or, the President of the United States lives in the White House. As you already know, we use present simple to describe habits and daily routines. Yes. For example, I go to school by car. I go to Spain every year. Habits and routines. Timetables. Facts. And states. Now let's take a look at some simple examples. I often visit my grandmom.
We play tennis at the weekend. I am 9 years old. I go to SIS.
Here is an example. Jolene watches TV after school. This is a habit or a daily routine. Jolene watches TV. Present simple. What if I say, Jolene and Ben? Now they are two. They watch TV after school. I will say, Jolene and Ben watch TV after school. Now let's explain why. Let's zoom in on our whiteboard. Or, let's make it a yellow board today. More fun. What is the form of the present simple tense? For I, you, we, and they. We use the verb in the infinitive form. The verb is it is. I walk to the club. They walk to the club, too. While for singular third person. He, she, and it. I add an s to the verb. He walks to the club. Walks. She walks to the club.
He walks. He watches.
Sometimes the verb ends in ss, sh, ch, x, o, or z. We add es to these verbs with he, she, and it. If a verb ends in a consonant plus y, we cross the y and add ies. He cries when he is sad.
If the verb ends in a vowel plus y, we just add an s.
Let's try some sentences. Here the verb is go. What should it look like? Goes. Mary goes. We add an es because the verb ends in an o. Carry. How can we use the verb carry with Dan? The verb ends in a consonant plus y. Carries. Dan carries his bags on his own. What about the negative form? Let's try this example. I go to school. It will be I don't go to school. Don't walk to the club in the afternoon. They don't walk to the club. Don't. To change the present simple tense into negative, we just add don't or doesn't. Ben doesn't walk to the club. Sally doesn't walk to the club. Doesn't. How to form a question. If the answer starts with yes or no, we start the question with do or does. But if the answer doesn't start with yes or no, we don't start the question with do or does. We use question words like what, where, which, how, and so on. These are some key words that are sometimes used with the present simple tense. Every day, every year, every morning, etc. Daily, regularly, normally, on plus day, like, on Mondays. Adverbs of frequency like always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, scarcely, seldom, and never. Goodbye, Jr4. See you later.